Oh man. Whew. Oh, good morning internet. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Devin from Broken Enduro. A little different view today. Out on the road on the T7, heading up to Big Bear. Had to take the day off from work. I got to meet a contractor up at our place in Big Bear. Take care of a few things. So I figured I'd take the big bike, drag you guys along. Oh. Well, that was nice of him. Squeaking me by. They've been doing a ton of work on this road. This section's okay, but like a ton of this mountain burn that they've been doing with like rock slides and mud slides and all sorts of crazy nonsense. So that's awesome. Anyway, out on the big bike. Decided to take you guys along for the ride. Hopefully I'll take the long way home and get in a little bit of dirt. It's been a while since I've been able to get out on this thing. Just too busy, man. So a few changes since the last time you guys saw it. I ordered the Tusk heated grips kit that they sell. It's just like a generic heated grips kit, and got those underneath the Rogue grips, the ODI grips. So I wasn't able to do the clamp-on ones because the clamp-on grips don't work with the heated grips, but so they're just like the regular, you know, glue-on type, but I still get the same feel as all the rest of the bikes, which I really like. Their switch was a little funky, and I couldn't figure out a place to mount it that made sense, so I ended up getting this like little cheap made in China 3-way bar mount switch. It's supposed to be 100% waterproof. It angles down a little bit, but because the mirror gets in the way, but it seems to work. Grips are warm. I also did the Seat Concepts Comfort Low seat, and I really like that. Because before I could just kind of like tiptoe both sides, and now I can get a better purchase with my foot down on the ground. And the way the seat's contoured, it actually feels a lot better on my back. The knees get a little more aggressive. I mean, not rear set sport bike aggressive, but a little more bend in the knee. But as far as like the sacrifice goes, I think it's worth it. Hopefully there'll be less anyway. Complete stop or low speed tip overs on this thing. Yeah, there's a deer. 2 deer, 3 deer. All sorts of wildlife today. So you guys aren't gonna be able to see the grade or the actual sweep of these turns, but they're pretty good. But this, you have to keep in mind, this is with like a full adventure knobby. I run the Motaz RAL Z tires. There's no buzz, have total confidence, just to freaking cruise through this. So I just checked the air temp on the bike, and it is 46 degrees. And the Motoport jacket's keeping me warm. Got the liner in the jacket, no liner in the pants. Pretty good. And dirt. And I'm still running road pressure. Can't air down because I still gotta ride home. I got this little air compressor, but Don't have it with me. And I still need to add the pigtail to the battery. I hope there's no snow on this road. I like the snow on the little bikes, but not the big one, especially being by myself. What do you think, Gold Mountain? No, probably not. It's pretty awesome. Like, I met with a guy I needed to meet with at the property and took the highway all the way up here. And now I get to take the long way home. Yeah, I'm not going in that today. No, no, thank you. Oh man, that's freaking ugly. Woo! Oh my god, this stuff is so soft. Alright, no more of that crap. Did someone not let nature know that I'm out here by myself? Oh man. Whew. Well, that was exciting. Alright, if I just stay on this little rut, stay out of the mud, there's another big old puddle coming up. Gotta go in and around and through. Okay. Yeah. It's definitely more than I bargained for. So I think Jeremy and the Borrowed Boy, maybe Steve, not exactly who all's out here, but they're doing Devil's Hole and Redonda today. So I'll make my way over there and shoot them a text, see where they be.
Hell yeah! Look at you!
Dude, this thing's a pig!
This thing's gonna go through Redonda great.
I got it in some mess back there.
I didn't know you had the big old bags on it.
Alright, just got a chance to say hi to Jeremy, Michael, and Steve. They're running down Redonda now. I'm gonna make my way over to Fawnskin and back down the hill. Decided against going down to or out towards Green Valley Lake, just because the majority of that trail is north facing, and I don't want to play in the snow in this. I'd be more inclined to do it if I had someone else out here with me, but not today. I set Jeremy up with the drone, and he ran part of Redonda just out, you know, 5-10 minutes and then back. So I'll cut that footage in right now.
Hey, at the start, people doubted I would make it this far, but I'm moving them wrong. Everybody criticized and they hated on me, but I just stayed strong. And no matter what I heard them tell me, it didn't change my mind. I'm still pushing hard, working hard daily. I'm in a race with time. I put my life on the record, always giving it effort at night. I'm always restless, this music's a life sentence. Perfecting my craft in seconds, the essences of the earth used to make the world turn. People earn was not deserved, while the weak get knocked down. Got people losing their health, this evil's making me mad. I hope I make my father proud, devote my life to writing raps. I hope I'm on the right path, spending years of my life that I could never take back. I lost friends in the process, they disappeared like magic. Put all my eggs in one basket and all they said I was average, till I went after something that they couldn't see. And know I'm on my way to being what they said I wouldn't be. So nod your head to the beat if you ever had a dream, and everybody else around you just never seemed to believe. That sound exactly like me, I was right in your position. So listen close what I'm saying, don't ever give up your visions on the real. At the start, people doubted I would make it this far, but I'm proving them wrong. Everybody criticized and they hated on me, but I just stayed strong. And no matter what I heard them tell me, it didn't change my mind. I'm still pushing hard, working hard daily. I'm in a race with time. All these thoughts in my head are brought to the pen. The ink linking while I'm thinking, mind lost in the wind. I sit alone, house empty, getting under my skin. I just don't know why y'all envy my life, cause it ain't shit but unpredictable days. I hope this all just a phase. The rays of the sun ain't shining when I ain't seeing your face. The good life don't even taste good, such a waste. What's my face? Someone tell me the right path to take, cause I'm a lost soul walking. So please proceed with caution in this world that I'm lost in. I'm alone more than often. My soul is in the darkness, but I'm searching for the light. Always doing wrong, but I'm out here searching for the right. And I even lost sight of my visions for a second, but that's just another lesson that I reckon will help me reach my successes. Or not, I'm still building my plot. Regardless of what I go through, I'm still gonna reach the top. Try and stop me. At the start, people doubted I would make it this far, but I'm proving them wrong. Everybody criticized and they hated on me, but I just...
Alright guys, hope you like that drone footage. Thank you so much for watching. I'm just about to Fawnskin now. It's just gonna be highway running back down, so if anything exciting happens, I'll cut back in. But until then, I'll catch you on the next one. Later!